Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rise English. My name is Preeti. I am from UP. I am a speaking learner in English. So we are daily uploaded video for my YouTube channel Rise English. Here I am learning English, and here is I uploaded many videos how to learn English in a fluent way, in a smoothly and naturally. Yeah, that is a right channel for those students what you learn English. Here I am sitting in my room. Yeah, we are started to our journey speaking English as a learner. I daily uses a new vocabulary in English, how to speak. Yeah, I try to give my best, and yeah, I learn and I spoke in videos many vocabulary. I try to understand and I speak in the right fluency and with right pronunciation. Study. I uploaded some right pronunciations shorts. So if you are interested, then you are goes on my shorts and watch my videos. If you are learn daily by daily in spoken English, yeah. In this video, we will cover some those topics like is grammar is important for spoken English. Yeah, that is important, but not more if you are a average learner, not a if you are a beginner, then you speak a very small sentences, simple and easy sentences spoke, and not a big grammar. Even native speakers sometimes not make a right grammar, not spoke a right grammar, but they speak a fluent way because they are habitual. Here is, and they are made himself for a very habitual part. So if you are want to fluency and speak like very naturally, then you speak day by day, no matter how make mistake. But if you are make mistake, then you learn and where is the mistake and I improve my mistakes. Yeah, if you are daily 550 20 times if you are practice and then you speak in front of camera, then you are improve your spoken English. Grammar is, yeah, grammar is important, but if you are not understand grammar, then you are practice some little bit word like how to pronunciation, right vocabulary, and some you speak some small sentences. And yeah, I have one book for grammar, for Lucent. The name of book is Lucent. Yeah, that is very useful book. If you are a preparation for competitive exam like UTP and UPPCSC set, then you purchase your Lucent. It is a many subject here, caption here there. But if you try to speak English, then they learn many sentences, like sentences in divided three part: past, present, and future. If you learn, then you are understand how to speak in the right way. And here is given many how to many how to active and passive and figure of speech. Yeah, many helpful books for me. And if you are want to purchase, then you are going to our shop or Flipkart and Amazon. If you are purchase, yeah, it is a very important book for me to enhance my spoken English. That is main important part of our journey. Yeah, it's helped me very fluency. And yeah, I when I saw 50 time 10-50 time you speak daily, show up in front of camera, then you one day you will show you a big change in your fluency. And your in this first video comparison in present video, that is very improved. And in upcoming days you will improve your spoken English day by day. Yeah, grammar is important. Yeah, today I will show you some this thing I understand English. I try to better my English. Here I am standing in my room, and you can see my windows view. Here is many field. It is a village side area, and you can see here is many onion farming to grow up. Here is a small part, but not mention it. One day it is grow, and here is many vegetables grow, and here is banana trees, and men are going there, and you can see a proper way. And yeah, a lot of field here is. It is a big part of our village, which is growing many birds, and it is a big area. And here you can see a big village and big garden, for there are many plants which is grow. And here is the summer season study. I will spoke here. I will sitting here, and I will say you and sitting here, and I will say you. And study is a big heavy rain, so I can't make a video. And I'm sitting my windows area, and I talk with you, conversation with you, and everyone. I'm sitting in here, and I try to speak my fluency in a naturally, but I can't going to outside because I'm sitting here, and I try to daily show up 10-50 times. I try to speak in English and write my fluency day by day. And if you are want to improve your English, then you talk with any stranger in English. You are try to speak with your family, and you try to speak with friends in English. And yeah, this is not a big use not a big words used in English, but you are try to small and easy sentences spoke, then you will grow. And words used in English, but you are try to small and easy sentences spoke, then you will grow. And a little bit step. Yeah, one day you will improve your English. And yeah, if you are spoke in a stranger, then you feel, don't you think about what they think next. And if you improve your communication skill, don't if you improve your communication skill, then you think about your mind. What are you spoke, because your word is not a word, your word is your personality, your quality. And yeah, this is a biggest matter, what you are spoke. And if you are spoke, then you realize your body is going many different area gesture. And you try to your best. And yeah, this is a biggest. If you are do your first you meet a stranger, then you talk. Do your first you meet a stranger, then you talk with any topic. And not in that time you speak like one person. Speak your today's talking about, and you are talking a old topic, and that is not matter. This is a one topic to speak. And very it is improve your communication skill, what your eye contact, you meet eye contact, what your body language, and improve your body language and your spoken English and your gesture. And listen to carefully. First you listen carefully, then you speak understand, and you speak a right answer. And yeah, that is. Here I am coming my outside. I will show you my whole field is grow up. It is a big area for in my village. This is a bold. This is a whole. So guys, this is our parcel. This is inside. Which is inside? इसके अंदर क्या है? Dry fruits. It is dry fruits. We are purchased online in Flipkart. How it is looking. Wait, just open it. These are 3 bottles inside. Which company is it? It is a Cashew Granic Farms. And which place is here? Comes to in here. And here is a pista. Here is a pista and in bottle, and here is almonds. And this is a 3 bottle. Which price? How many price this water? 489. 489 this is bottle. In the rainy season, plant is very heavy rain. It is not want to many water. It's a little bit grow, so its root is destroyed and it's not grow perfectly. So I remove this one container to another container. So I try to give the other container, and it is not a big most of not want a big heavy rain, so it's destroyed. I try to give this one because study is very heavy rain, and so it's much of added here is stored much water, so I can remove this one container to another container. Hi everyone, I am coming on my roof. This is my elder sister said that it's want of much more soil, so I am take on my roof and added some soil. Added some soil. So I'm starting for new, for added some soil, for because here I will show you my mini plants. This is here my mini plant. This is my mini plant, and this is my big aloe vera plant, and it's grow a many years. But now in this time its condition is very poor, so I transfer to one container to another container. That's the reason. That is the main reason, and it is full of heavy rainy water is storage. But I try to transform and remove this destroy areas, and I try to give him best aloe vera plant. You can see I transform this container, and because container is destroyed, this is my mini container, and here I added some soil, and it grew very 2 months, and it's grew at 3 to 4 years ago. I take it and a house plant it, and it is a grow a flower. Its flowers come to 7 years after 7 years. So it is a 5 year now in this time, 5 years, and after 2 years it will come a flower. A long time gives flower. And aloe vera is very beneficial for your face and your hair, and for your health recommendation. Now, many doctors recommended that you take aloe vera, so I will grow at home. I will grow at home, and I try to many plants because I love planting. So I love gardening, so I I take many every plant like flower, aloe vera, and marigolds, and jasmine, and many more flowers. We are took care and put my container, and so we are daily at them water, and so it's grow very fast. And yeah, if you are very careful, you take your plants, that it's grow very fast. If you are not careful, your plant is destroyed. Careful, your plant is destroyed. Yeah, I careful this plant. This is in my mini plant. I careful. This is a saving roots, and it's give a new plant, so I can added into soil this and this, and it's give a new plant. So I added in soil. I can see you later. This is a give me new plant or not. Yeah, this is I complete my today's work. It's very hard work. I can adjust in line and column. This is my planting areas, which is I put here many plants. Yeah, many plants I store here, and okay. So I have planting my aloe vera plant. It is a very hard, so I remove this hard, and I I took a tools for removing this soil. It is very dirty, and smell is very bad, and away from the soil. Added a new soil, which is a many best minerals for the aloe vera plant. So I can took and put on my container, and second container, remove the soil and added new soil. Uh, here is a compost soil, so I added, that is enough for aloe vera plant. And I'm not visible properly, so I remove, and here I am putting added some new, and these tools help for me, and this is very, and this is the first aloe vera container, and second now I am putting my aloe vera plant, and added many new. This is a very destroy because it's very dry, and remove this old cells, and add new cells, for removing a new plant. It is very poor condition. It is a very dry, so I added in new soil. This is the second container, and here is roots is uh, uh, very destroy, so I remove this old part, and this is cutting, for root because it is destroy. And uh, when this is many important, which is removing a new container. And let's take very carefully because cutting part is very important. Because if we much more cutting, then plant is not grow. So cutting very carefully. I added old aloe vera leaves because it is a composting for then the soil, so I am added in soil. And that's it. When I planting my aloe vera plant, I speak, I try to speak my fluency in English. It is a natural, and I try to my natural way in English spoken and very smoothly. Yeah, day by day I practice my English improving, and I try to give my best performance in